Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best CD cleaning disc is probably one of the most overlooked gadgets for audiophiles and data hoarders alike, a simple, inexpensive solution to maintaining your precious CD collection, ensuring pristine sound quality and preventing data loss. We'll explore what makes a great CD cleaning disc, examining various designs, cleaning solutions, and effectiveness, helping you choose the perfect disc to keep your CDs in top shape and extend their lifespan. Number 5. Maxell Pro CD 340 Cleaner. This innovative cleaner is designed to revitalize your CD player's performance. It's easy to use and requires no harsh chemicals. It features a specially designed brush that gently yet effectively removes dust and dirt from the laser lens. This ensures thorough cleaning without damaging the delicate lens. Is your CD player skipping or loading slowly? This cleaner resolves those problems, restoring your discs to their optimal playback quality. It's reusable, saving you money and reducing waste. For best results, clean the lens after every 10 hours of use. Simply insert it, turn on your player, and let it do the work. No complicated steps or special settings are required. The package includes a cleaning disc and a microfiber cloth to enhance the overall cleaning process and extend the life of your CDs. It's the perfect gift for any CD enthusiast. While it's reusable, for optimal results, it's recommended to replace it after about 40 uses. This ensures continued peak performance. What we like. This cleaner is safe for your player's lens and effectively removes dust and dirt. It's also reusable, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective way to keep your CD player in top condition, this is the one for you. What people say. This disc fixed my 30-plus-year-old JVC CD player issue. CD players started getting stuck repeating not advancing on multiple CDs, so I knew it was a player issue and not the CDs, bought this disc and popped it in a player. Fixed the player issues immediately. My old Tascam commercial CD player has worked well over the years. Recently it has stopped at different points during play. I was about to tear into it and then thought maybe the lens is dirty, so ordered this disc cleaner. I ran it through 2 cycles once the disc error was finally resolved and no more problems. My very old Bose single CD player went from skipping so badly that it was totally unusable to good as new thanks to this. I did have to run it through twice, but it was really a nice surprise to find a simple, inexpensive, and easy fix that actually works and didn't require taking the whole thing apart. Number 4. Arsvita CD/DVD Laser Lens Cleaner. Experiencing slow loading, skipping, or freezing? It might be time for a good cleaning. This simple solution can help. This cleaning set is designed to revitalize your CD, VCD, and DVD players. It's safe and effective for restoring optimal performance. It uses a unique 2-brush system to remove dirt and dust, eliminating audio and video distortions. Say goodbye to dropouts. Regular cleaning with this disc can significantly extend the lifespan of your player. Enjoy clearer sound and sharper images for longer. You'll receive one cleaning disc, a cleaning cloth, and a user manual. Everything you need for a quick and easy clean. It works with most CD, VCD, and DVD players. Please note it's not compatible with game consoles or certain other devices. What we like. It boasts a unique 2-brush cleaning system for superior dirt removal. This extends the life of your CD player and improves audio-video quality. If you prioritize thorough cleaning and longevity of your equipment, this is a great choice. What people say. I inserted this cleaning disc in the changer, it loaded, but nothing happened except for the same blinking on my CD player screen as with any other CD. So, I inserted this cleaning disc into my newer vehicle's CD player. It immediately loaded and began playing music while displaying an icon likened to the disc cleaning. Our Onkyo CD player stopped reading any of our discs. After a couple of more insertions, refusals and Arsvita CD twirls, the machine suddenly said 00 and began playing some very pleasing piano music, suitable to all tastes. Hurrah! After about 25 minutes of a variety of musical selections and styles, the cleaning disc finally came to rest. I inserted a Ravel CD, and my delighted husband walked in the door just at the beginning of the Alborada. Plus the sound quality seems better. My car's CD player kept showing cannot read disc. Ran this and now it works. 2007 Mustang with Shaker 500 system, using MP3 burned CDs. Number 3. Reshow Laser Lens Cleaner. Is your CD or DVD player sounding a little off? Dust and dirt on the lens can cause skipping and poor sound quality. This kit will easily solve that problem. Simply place it in your player and let it do its work. It's that easy. You'll even enjoy some music while it cleans. It uses tiny microfiber brushes to gently remove dust and debris, without scratching the delicate lens. It's a safe and effective way to keep your player in top condition. Regular cleaning will keep your player working like new for years to come. It's reusable up to 30 times, so you'll get plenty of use out of it. You'll receive the cleaning disc, cleaning solution, a microfiber cloth, instructions, and a 12-month warranty. We're here to help if you have any questions. This cleaner is for CD and DVD players only. It does not work with game consoles or other devices, and it won't improve picture quality. What we like. This product not only cleans your player but also plays music while doing so. It's gentle on the lens, preventing scratches. Plus, it comes with a cleaning solution for an extra boost. If you value convenience and a pristine clean, this is perfect for you. What people say. The cleaning process was so simple I couldn't believe it. It was so easy I did it a second time just because. The player works perfectly now and most probably only needed a once-time cleaning. After cleaning a few times it greatly reduced the malfunctions. This is a very old but quality system and pretty sure the CD had never been cleaned. We'll probably be using it in the future as I have a few other CD players. Everything that was supposed to be in the package was there and looked professionally put together. The instructions were very clear and had no problem running the disc. I used this on my CD player in my SUV. CDs would play fine until the last 3 to 4 songs, then it would start to skip or sound weird. Number 2. Arsvita ARCD04 Laser Lens Cleaner. Experiencing slow loading, skipping, or freezing during playback? It might be time to clean the laser lens. This simple solution can restore your player to its former glory. This cleaning set uses a special 2-brush process to remove dirt and dust, restoring your audio and video quality. The unique dual brush system effectively removes dirt and dust deposits, eliminating audio and video dropouts and distortions. Regular cleaning with this set can significantly extend the lifespan of your CD, VCD, DVD player, saving you money in the long run. You'll receive 1 cleaner disc, a cleaning cloth, 2 bottles of cleaning fluid, and an after-sales card. We're here to help if you have any questions. It's important to note that it is compatible with CD, VCD, DVD players only. It's not designed for use with game consoles or other devices. What we like. This cleaner uses a 2-brush system to remove dirt and dust, extending the life of your player. It also comes with extra cleaning fluid for multiple uses. If you want a thorough clean and long-lasting results, this is the option for you. What people say. CD, DVD sound great and look grand. Our older CD player was skipping regularly. Thought we needed to replace it. But first, hubby decided to try this first. It worked like magic. My CD player had accumulated a bunch of dirt inside and would not play discs. 1 cycle of this disc cleaner and the CD player works perfectly. Number 1. Mwin CD Cleaner Disc. Is your CD player skipping or loading slowly? This innovative cleaner solves those problems, bringing your music back to life. Using it is incredibly simple. Just pop it in and press play, it's that easy. It uses advanced microfiber brushes to gently clean the lens without causing damage. This keeps your player running smoothly for longer. This cleaner is reusable, so you can maintain your player's performance over time. Use it every few days for optimal results. It comes with a cleaning disc and a microfiber cloth to clean your CDs, ensuring both your player and discs are in top condition. A perfect gift for any music lover. What we like. This disc is incredibly easy to use, just insert and play. It effectively cleans your CD player's lens. It also includes a microfiber cloth for cleaning your CDs. If you want a simple yet effective solution, this is for you. What people say. Excellent CD cleaner. Enjoy the fact that it plays music and instruction as it cleans. So you know it's working and are informed when it's done. Great product. I inserted the cleaning disc and it said not playable. I ejected it and inserted it again. Not playable. On the third eject and insert, I heard the disc move a little. Eject and insert the fourth time and it moved a bit again. On the fifth insert, still saying not playable, I heard the disc moving for 2 or 3 seconds. After I ejected, I inserted a music CD and it played from beginning to end, no stopping, no skipping. The instructions were simple. I just inserted the cleaning disc, and it talked to me while it was cleaning the lens. Very calming. That was it. The problem was solved instantly, and had not recurred. I highly recommend this lens cleaning disc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.